Hello and welcome as we explore the rugged Meijia all-weather waterproof hard camera case today. This IP67 rated shell protects your gear from heavy rain, dust, and even harsh desert sand. You can easily customize the premium pick and pluck foam to fit your specific equipment perfectly. An integrated pressure valve ensures the lid opens easily after long flights or high mountain travel. Sturdy double-throw latches and stainless steel reinforcements provide a reliable and airtight seal for safety. The compact design and soft handle make it very easy to carry drones or cameras anywhere. This tough case offers professional-level security for all of your most valuable and delicate electronics. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.